Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates. In today's video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I see mamas struggling with how to get their little girls' bows straight. A lot of times I see that bow is totally cattywamped. So I have a very easy tip on how to make the perfect bow. I'm at my granddaughter's house and I'm going to go get her and she's going to help demonstrate this video. Okay, so what's your name? Micah? Yeah. And Micah, what happened right there? Did you get a boo-boo at Nana's house?
Yeah.
What happened?
I heard it on the chair.
Yeah, you heard it on the chair.
Yeah.
Would you like to get this bow on your dress tied straight? Can I?
That's pretty.
It is pretty. Let's stand up and see what it looks like. Okay. And you got a bow on the back. Oh, that looks.
I tied it on it.
You like it?
Yeah.
So how you make a straight bow is by creating a square knot. How you do that is if you do right over left and then left over right, and that's what creates a square knot, and that's what keeps a bow straight. Doesn't that look good, Micah?
Yeah.
Look how good that looks. Right over left and left over right. Okay, and then kind of straighten that middle and then pull your loops out a little bit, making that bow even. Oh, Micah, you're doing so good for Nana. Thank you. And that is a straight bow, and she can run around all day long, whether she's in a wedding in a gorgeous dress like this or going to Sunday school. What do you think? You think it's good? Can I have a kiss? Have a kiss? You do a good job. I love you. Well, I hope that video helped out. May there be a lot of more girls with straight bows. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because we'll have a video out next week. And if you haven't been to my online store, I'll put a link below. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Where do you want to say the twinkle?
Okay.
Yeah, Play-Doh.
You love Play-Doh?
Yeah. Say toot.
Oh, the train goes right there. Okay. Well, that would be a great dress if that would happen.
I think someone's here.
You think someone's here?
Yeah.
Flip. Okay.
My first show.
Okay. That's your favorite show. Come here, baby. Let me see.
Where's my first show?